They say equality exists, but was it? Things fall apart and time breaks your heart. I wasn't there, but I know she was your girl. You showed her the world, but fell out of love and you both let go. She was crying on my shoulder. All I could do was hold her.
Bakit parang ang dali lang para sa kanila?
Only made us closer.
Pero pagdating sa akin, mahirap. Gusto kong magsalita, pero parang may pumipigil sa akin at ayaw lumabas sa bibig ko.
May hindi ka rin mamaya sa LGBTQ bago gusto nyo lang. Piling ko ka magpipit in dyan. Hindi mo kahit lang mag-fit in. Tapos come as well.
Pero, meron yung mga times na hindi ako tanggap ng mundo.
Did I cross the line?
Cathy, look at her. Tignan mo naman yung suit niyo. Di siya nababagay dito.
Bakit ang unfair pagdating sa akin?
More different from me, happy and free.
Paano kung hindi nila ako tanggapin? Pero what if they do?
Uy! Hindi ka dito sa...
Maybe, hindi ko lang nag-iisa. Kailangan ko lang ng courage para mahanap yung mga taong para sa akin.
Learn to be ashamed of all the stars. Anyway, I say,
Nakahanap ako ng mas higit pa sa friends. Nakahanap ako ng lugar kung saan pwede akong maging totoo sa sarili ko.
for we are glorious.
Studies show that many LGBTQ students, including bisexuals, individuals experiencing bullying and discrimination in school. In fact, around 35% of students reported being bullied because of their gender expression or identity.
Here I